Never seen so many people all at once.
Churning seas of London. It's just the way Father described. Now, to find Henry Green and formulate a plan of attack against the Templars.
Is Mr. Green again?
The assassin watching over London? Did you not listen the first 3 times?
Listen to what?
Where is Mr. Green's shop located? It was marked on Father's map.
2 assassins. Equal in height, 1 female, 1 male. 2 decades old, and those devilish smiles. You must be the Fry twins.
And you are?
Henry Green, at your service. I was sorry to learn about your father's passing.
Thank you.
What can you tell us about Crawford Starrick?
I suppose the council desires news.
London must be freed, to provide a better future for all of its citizens.
Well, thank goodness the council saw reason and sent you to aid us.
Yes. Thank goodness.
Unfortunately, I am the bearer of bad news. Today, Starrick sits at the helm of the most sophisticated Templar infrastructure known in the Western world. Every class, every borough, the gangs, the industries. His reach extends all across London.
I've always thought of myself as a gang leader. Firm, but fair. Well, I have uniforms. And I'll unite a mix of disenfranchised outsiders under one name. That's it, Evie. We can rally them to our side.
Oh, like the way that you rallied those card players at the Oakwood Tavern into the river.
Oh, that was different. They beat me at whist. I can see it now. We'll call ourselves the Rooks.
You were never good at chess either.
Have you got a better plan?
Find the piece of Eden.
Oh.
Well, let me show you the lay of the land. Shall we? Look at what Starrick has done to the city. Whitechapel is riddled with crime. Child labor, despite regulations. A gang known as the Blighters overruns the streets, and Templars manipulating behind the scenes. As in all the other boroughs, we need to return this city to the people who built it in the first place.
We will free London from Starrick. You have my word.
Am I Rooks?
Miss Fry, your passion is inspiring. Come, let us return to my shop and I can bring you up to date on the rest.
But a greater force than they brings us together.
You'll feel my fist if you keep on.
There should be 12. They were delivered just this morning.
Manifest says 10. I counted 10.
I said I was thinking about it.
to deal with you!
If I have to come over you...
Wait there! I'll chop you in a bit! Get yourself... Dose yourself with quinine. That's what you... Edward, what good does it do us to have a man in Parliament if he's ineffectual?
Try to understand. He's only one man. I can't even ask him to address the issue.
Rise up, London! Londoners of all ages, hear me. If you were tired, hear me. If you were hungry, hear me. People of London, are you tired of breaking your back in factories all day and most of the night? Are you tired of coming home to sleep on the floor with an empty belly?
Why are you climbing on me like that?
What kind of talk is that?
Don't tell me how to talk to people.
Everyone shut it. You're making me ears bleed.
Everything they own, they acquired on the backs of your labour.
You can't see
We
it.
must free ourselves from this slavery to survive. We must rise up. I believe, as I know you believe, that we must be paid.
Afterwards.
I won't, sir.
I want no more reports that you're skulking around that area.
Please don't sack me, sir.
It's out in the hands.
No, please, sir.
It does have a knack for a clever turn of phrase.
It's this right here. Hamlet the Muse
Bringing in Go on, you're embarrassing me.
I'd vote for you.
Enough now. Glorious revolution in Spain. Queen Isabella II
That's delightful. He's such a shabby dresser.
Such fine company and such a rare find.
Interest at the very core of my heart. So I urge you to quit this protest, return to your stations, and trust that you will be taken care of.
Fabricating evidence, are you? What difference does that make? We are talking about the life of the nation.
Look at yourself.
said you might be going. My heart broke.
Results of the United States presidential election! Union war hero! Unity first! New edition, only 1 pence. Canada contemplates colonial government conundrum. Power in the House of Commons of the new Dominion to be based on provincial population.
Greetings, my good.
something at 200. Some manners for sure.
Excuse me.
God, I'm 10 years younger. I teach them things at 200. Some manners. Streets closed, state your business.
Oh, it's a bargain!
What'd she say?
And look at all that cake!
A daring young man on the flying trapeze. His movements were graceful, although he could please. And my love,
You can't know how much you've done for me.
he'd fly through the air with the greatest of ease. A daring young man on the flying trapeze. His
You know what he said,
movements
like,
were
you'll never
graceful,
manage delivering post. What does that bloody confirm?
Talking about the future of the British Empire. What are you doing here? Well, haven't seen you since your wedding.
You think you're safe because you're over there? What now?
Dead as a doornail. Given people are hiding for less than that.
Thank you.
Still, it should improve soon.
Don't bother someone else, you noodle. Chum. Should have just stayed at Arsenal's. On your business, you can treat.
I think I'll take to father like I've done to water.
odd, I'll grant you.
There must be some explanation. Perhaps he was speaking metaphorically.
You like how I set that up for you?
I want no more reports that you're skulking around that area.
Please don't say this. And he bit you on the leg. He most certainly did.
That you are and remain my wife. I'll find something else. I promise you that. The rent will be paid.
Tell me how you've been.
Oh, well, it's been a long time, hasn't it? Where to begin?
How's your mother?
The years will make the lost pray.
We're counting on you, Nance. Can't do it without you. Isn't that right, Sam?
Think about that.
So, you admit it then? You're a brute who beats people over small sums.
It's honest work.
Oh, you cheeky bugger! I'll get you for that.
You're a brute who beats people over small sums.
It's honest work.
Your definition of honest.
You don't want to pay?
Just have to warn you.
You sir, fire paper! Riots in China! Christian missionaries in fear for their lives! 10,000 Chinese attacked the British China inland mission! Premises looted and burned!
There's a very good reason indeed.
Pay him no mind.
My apologies. It's this city air. It irritates my lungs.
We take this cause very seriously. Parliament cannot allow these atrocities to continue, but we need your support.
Well, whatever we can do to help.
not there anymore. Well, to cut the line, the baby's on its way.
Congratulations. You're damaging the cause with this rubbish.
I support the Irish cause as well.
I believe so. Its quality was seventh.
That's why I do so enjoy the continent.
Come on,
You're rotten cheap.
Yeah, she means we can't. I'm afraid my fees are not negotiable.
I want to see, I want to see.
Up ya! Come on! Walk on, stupid nag! Come on, you silly man!
Maybe you'll settle down when I've ripped your guts out. Not a time.
Doing fine, girl. Let's go. Steady on.
Come on, little girl.
Keep moving.
There's something going on. Stupid nag.
Walk on, girl. Who's a good horse? You are.
We have 5 minutes, please.
Don't try to get away from me!
Hey, it won't work!
Walk on, girl.
Dominion to be based on provincial population.
That's the way. Atta girl. Doing fine, girl. Steady on. Let's go. Who's a good horse? You are. Doing fine, girl. Keep moving. That's the way. Atta girl. Let's go. Walk on, girl. Steady on. Who's a good horse? You are. That's the way. Let's go. Walk on, girl. Steady on. Atta girl. Keep moving. Doing fine, girl. Who's a good horse? You are. Doing fine, girl. Keep moving. Let's go. Atta girl.